Whoa. That's I just wanted to say that. Not a common saying?
No.
Just not. I wasn't Spanish.
¡Viva el señor! ¡Viva México!
You guys ever heard Mikey Whiskey Hands before? Pretty soon, Tony, it's just going to be you and me. No one's going to care about us anymore. You guys sit downtown, the Vic and Tony show. That's the Witch Witch. Vic and Tony show, you like that? You got music came over with under royalties for. Will I marry your sister? Prom. Let's start with prom, and then maybe we'll move on. I'd be really sad if I went to prom. I'd be that old guy at prom. Doing like handstands and telling everyone to get hammers. Take the tank. What's the picture of Oh man, I'm having a good time. I kind of just hanging out with my friends. I feel like I'm hanging out with a bunch of friends out there. You guys are awesome. All right, so I think we got another song. I think this is the last song of the evening. So really sad. But let's just do the whole set again. It's hard to play these songs acoustic because we don't ever do it. So there's a short different songs we can do for you guys. But after we play, we want to hang out because we're home. This is where we're from, by the way. The street. I mean, it's from Lakeside, so I don't know. So about that horse thing, you own 2 horses. Any of you guys coming from far away, out of town out there? We got some boys from San Francisco. I got some boys from San Francisco. This song goes out to anybody who traveled a far away. This is a song we wrote a long time ago with Johnny Craig.